Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the WH-720n and pairing it to your phone. This gives the app control over noise canceling. Once paired, open Sony Headphones Connect and grant Bluetooth permissions so the app can change ANC settings. Make sure battery is above half to avoid interruptions, then tap the device name in the app. You do this because the app exposes adaptive sound control and ANC level options that the hardware button alone can't fully configure. Now configure noise canceling modes. Choose ANC for full cancellation or ambient sound when you want situational awareness. Once done, enable adaptive sound control so the headset switches modes automatically when you walk, sit, or travel. This saves manual toggles. Make sure to fine-tune the manual NC level and the equalizer to reduce pressure and preserve voice clarity. You do this because the right balance prevents fatigue while keeping important sounds audible when necessary. Finish by checking fit and testing with quiet and noisy tracks to verify noise-canceling performance. A proper seal matters as much as settings. Once satisfied, keep firmware current through the app because updates refine ANC algorithms. If cancellation is weak, make sure ear pads are clean and reseat the headset. And if problems persist, reset the headphones and repair them. This clears corrupted profiles and often restores full ANC functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.